Hey, welcome guys to a new episode. You remember us with the Bentley yesterday, and today we have the GLA that I got my wife. It's quite nice one, yes. I told you Mercedes. Which year was that, man? Like
2018.
2018, fucking new car as well. You can see it's 4Matic, awesome, all-wheel drive. And it's the best car for your wife, actually, you know. All the safety, security features that you want, like 8 or 16 airbags all around, guys. You see, nice leather as well. Well, it's not like in the Bentley, but still, for a girl, it's fine. For a girl, it's fine. It's a girl's dream. And imagine what the fuck happened yesterday. You know, it was a bit crazy, to be honest. But my wife comes back from work and says like, "Oh darling, I did something." And what the fuck is that, man? Like, what the fuck happened to my fucking car? Like, it's good that we have insurance though, you know. Having insurance always helps, guys. So today we're gonna drive it to the shop, to the auto shop, and they're gonna fix that. And maybe in 2 weeks time we'll show you how they fixed it and if it's any good. Yeah, show them, man. This is a nasty scratch, by the way. I don't know what the hell she was thinking or what she did. She doesn't tell me. I hope she didn't go to some lover or something, you know, and probably he did that. Somebody else, I don't know. So we're gonna see, guys, how it's gonna go. I hope they're gonna fix that because, well, now it looks ugly. And we don't like ugly here. We like the top cars. Yeah, you can see it from this side. Leather seats as well. Well, it's not like the old Mercedes. They used to do the old Mercedes much better. But still, you know, there is some wood in here, you know, and a lot of nice.
Brand new car.
Yeah, it's actually a brand new car, and I'm glad that I got it.
25,000 kilometers. This one.
Yeah, it's new, and I hope it's gonna stay new. It's not gonna have more crashes, guys, because you know it's a shame. It's a shame that this happened, but no worries. We're gonna fix that. And you know, any day now, it's gonna be all right. So, guys, let me show you the back. It's quite powerful one as well. This car, you know, it's 2.5 liters, and of course, it's American version. Came from America. And well, yeah, I love it. I love this car, you know. It's all those crossovers type of the GLA, you know. It's nice. I like it. And it has big trunk, you know, big trunk. You can see you can fit a couple of bodies in here, no problems. Yes, you can fit a couple of bodies. And you hope that police doesn't stop you, you know, because otherwise you're fucked, you know. Yeah, it has automatic closing, of course. Yeah. Nice GGBG, guys, nice GGBG. All those little extras that you want in a car. And of course it has the autopilot stuff, you know, so I don't know, and a lot of sensors that tell you that you're gonna crash. So I don't know how she crashed it, to be honest. But well, a girl is a girl, and you can't blame her, I was, you know, actually, I'm wrong, you know. She accused me of doing this because I bought her this car. If I didn't buy her the car, well,
That's not gonna happen.
Yeah, this wouldn't be able to happen, and actually, she would have still been going with the bus to work, you know. So yeah, you see, that's the man's job, to be always wrong, and you never say to your girl that you are right, and you have no problems, you know. You can check my other podcasts, and there we talk about love and everything. But that's it. Oh, there is one nice S-Class coming. We're gonna showcase this S-Class as well soon. So don't worry, you're gonna like it. It's quite nice as well. But now let's get back to this. You know, you can put your kids in here. The back of this car is great as well. You know, couple of kids chairs, and it's all good, guys. It's all motherfucking good. So, you know, I'm sorry this episode is a bit short because we have much more work today, but you know, you should remember to Like us, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'm gonna keep talking with you, you know. Give us a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, don't forget about the notifications.
We see the results after 2 weeks.
Yes,
probably.
and we'll see this GLA after 2 weeks, guys. And that's it from us. And have a good day, and we'll see you next time.
Take care, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.